Hi everybody, Jonathan Perry again, coming to you from our Lake Charles office. Wanted to touch base with you. A lot of times we get calls and people simply telling our paralegal or the receptionist that they want a will. What they basically are saying is that they want some type of estate planning. Issue is that many people don't understand what estate planning is, and they're not familiar with it. So a lot of times they'll just say simply, I need to set up a will. So when someone comes in and I simply ask them the three questions that I'm going to ask anybody that comes in for that initial visit is what do you want to accomplish? What's important? And are there any special needs? And special needs is important because people don't realize that special needs can be anything from a child or a grandchild with physical or mental disabilities. It can be a child or a grandchild with substance abuse problems or drug addiction. And the reason being is because that is all part of estate planning. The way that you set things up to go to a child or your grandchild is very important. So when people come in and I begin to talk to them and get their feelings on what they're truly wanting to accomplish and what's important to them, they typically fall into one of three categories. The first one is that they simply want to have things in place. They want to know where their property is going and to who it's going and when. And so they're really concerned about avoiding the whole probate, avoiding the court problems, avoiding the children fighting. That's category one. The second category is those people who actually come and meet with us and they're very anxious because they have nothing in place and they're scared that the government takes all their property if them or their loved one goes into the nursing home. So that's category two. They're really terrified and scared of nursing home issues or nursing home poverty. And the third category is actually a combination of category one and category two, meaning that the overwhelming majority of people who we meet with fall into this third category in that they want to avoid probate. They don't want the kids fighting. They don't want that additional attorney fees that come with the long drawn out process of a probate and succession. And they also, in addition to that, they don't want to go into the nursing home, but if they do, they are absolutely terrified that the government's going to take all of their property, that there's going to be some type of estate recovery back on them, their estate or their children. So what we do is we're able to sit down with them, find out what's important, find out what they want to accomplish, and find out if there's any special needs, and we're able to set up legal documents for them that accomplishes all of those things. They avoid a probate, they avoid the court delays, they avoid the children fighting, they don't get those attorney fees on the back end. In addition to that, we're able to set up legal instruments that begin the protection process for all of their assets in the event that them or a loved one goes into the nursing home. If any of this is a concern for you, go ahead and give us a call and we'll set up an initial visit for you. Thank you so much.